So, what is Qiskit? Qiskit? Qiskit. Qiskit is an open-source software development kit for working with quantum computers at the level of circuits, algorithms, and application modules. This SDK allows anyone to program on real quantum computers from their laptop. In 2 lines of code, you can access several quantum systems ranging from superconducting to trapped ion qubits. Want to emulate a quantum computer's behavior instead? Change a single line of code and simulate your quantum circuits on our high-performance simulator. Qiskit is a tool used by tens of thousands of people globally who are all trying to build the future. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or just looking to get started, Qiskit has a number of features available for your needs, allowing anyone to do things like building your first quantum circuit, run cross-domain quantum algorithms, and study fundamental quantum phenomena. Maybe now is the perfect time to get involved yourself and find all the tools you need, including real quantum machines, an SDK through Qiskit, and a community that is happy to welcome you and answers any questions you may have along the way. You can get started today at Qiskit.org.